Sickle cell meaning say ebi mu yɛde wo and then woyɛ SS anaa SC a woyɛ sickle cell na woyɛ AS a woyɛ carrier.
Unfortunately, I don't know much about it, but I know it is an infection that has to do with the chromosome from the male and the female.
In Ghana alone, over 18,000 children are born each year with sickle cell disease. That's a lot of babies. But many are still ignorant about the condition. Sickle cell disease is not caused by witchcraft, neither is it contagious. It's simply a blood disorder which is inherited, the same way we inherit eye or skin color from our parents. But both parents usually will have an AS or AC genotype or any other type of abnormal hemoglobin that increases their chances of giving birth to a child with sickle cell disease. Sickle cell disease changes the normal donor shape of the red blood cells into the shape of a banana. This makes them hard and sticky, so they get stuck in very small blood vessels and end up blocking blood flow and the supply of oxygen and nutrients to vital body organs. This causes pain as well as other complications. But the good news is that people living with sickle cell disease are not always in pain. There are things they can do to protect themselves that can help them live full and healthy lives.
My name is Regina. I am 30 years old and I have sickle cell disease. I delivered my first child naturally and the second via cesarean section because I was sick most of the time with sickle cell crisis and was hospitalized. I experienced the pain of childbirth and sickle cell crisis at the same time.
Sickle cell stoila ejinyeto ekwambe nyepe brother de kala elun ta etonyela ekpefu ta mebe efu ipegbe megbogba kake maoli ta manokpli fike otola manoyumi.
Back in SHS, my teacher called me aside and told me I will be dead by the age of 21 years. And that stayed with me for many years because I had a lot in mind to do when I grew, but then that word that I'll die at the age of 21 really stayed with me and depressed me, I'll say. Yeah, it depressed me. So when I turned 30, I decided to have a photo shoot to celebrate a milestone.
There are a lot of myths and misconceptions about sickle cell disease, and I'll just go through a few of them. So people think that sickle cell disease is infectious, and so coming in contact with a person living with sickle cell disease, you will get the disease as well, which is not true. It's also not true that babies who are born with sickle cell disease do not survive to adulthood. Before the 1990s, yes, that was what we all thought. But since the 1990s, and with these disease-modifying drugs being produced, it has actually changed the cause of sickle cell disease. And so more people are living to adulthood.
I drink a lot of water. I don't go into the water when I'm at the beach. I carry warm clothing whenever I go out, and I perform my daily activities at my own pace. I also started taking hydroxyurea in 2020. I realized it has helped reduce the frequency of pain episodes, and I can do the things that usually make me tired.
Increased accessibility to vaccination and nutritional programs, as well as other medical advancements, now allow affected children to live into adulthood. But there's still a lot of work to be done in Ghana and other parts of Africa with regards to sickle cell education, prevention, diagnosis, and treatment. With quality medical care and a supportive community, one can live a healthy and full life, even with sickle cell disease.
Now, education is key when it comes to sickle cell disease. community engagement is also very important. And it is a good initiative that the ISCC has started in collaboration with AirtelTigo to really screen a lot of people in Ghana, especially the regions, different other regions and the remote areas of Ghana, and then also provide education in these regions and also in the remote areas.
Amunogbogblobe melagbenogbe ado 25 years old mebe le maopun komela elano agbe ado 25 awukurate ta fifie mekpobe mao ewonu gane nam kaka okpo viefe kura tome.
Sickle cell disease is not a death sentence. Let's spread facts and not fear.
Wɔfrɛ me Beatrice Jamara, medin finhyia edu ɔtwe emienu. Me wɔ sickle cell disease.
We all know the devastation that sickle cell disease can have on families in Ghana. We've all seen it either directly or indirectly, how the effect can be on the entire economy. This is why AirtelTigo is looking to deepen knowledge and enrich the understanding of sickle cell disease in Ghana in partnership with the International Sickle Cell Center. AirtelTigo, touching lives.
This initiative is brought to you by the International Sickle Cell Center, ISCC, in partnership with AirtelTigo Touching Lives.
AirtelTigo, life is simple.